Okay, so this is the open box, the pressure washer. The wire, I like three things about this pressure washer. First of all, the wire is pretty long. You can get to kind of distant places, and the pipe could be a little longer. Can't complain about that. Very easy to maneuver. So this is different accessories. Soap. Really like the wheels. And just on and off. It's pretty easy to use. Manual. Some different accessories for pressure washing stuff. And that's the back. Yep. Pretty much it.